Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a review video today. This is on a shower head, Lanhado brand high pressure RainFall shower head with a handheld shower head as well with 9 settings. You can adjust the pressure high or low. We chose high because that's what we like in our house. It's an amazing shower head. So this is all of the things that come with it. This is the handheld part. This is a beautiful black matte color. It has 9 settings that you can change it from.
That sounds actually really cool.
And we're really excited about the different settings. It has misting, it has hard massage, soft massage, massage and shower. I would have to read the instructions to tell you every single one. We'll get to that, but this thing is really cool. It comes with a, I believe a 5-foot hose.
First up, I thought that looked like a candy cane.
Yeah, it does. I believe it's 5 feet, and this goes with that. It comes with different, this is a razor holder that comes with it. This is the beautiful shower head.
Wow.
It's 8 inches by 8 inches.
Wow, that's actually cool.
It's very, very thin, and it's adjustable. You can move it like this in the shower. It'll be really cool. So these are both of the shower heads.
Okay.
Handheld in this. You can do both at the same time, or you can do one each at its own time. It comes with a high and low pressure of your choice. We are going to pick high pressure because that's what we love in our house. Here's another one of the brackets.
I want to know if you could actually use both of them at the same exact time, like putting like the handheld one like on your legs and then that one on your head.
You sure can.
Okay, that was what.
And then this is the actual like the main faucet piece that we will need, and it comes with a washer.
It's a little washer. Where's the washer?
It's a little washer majob thing. Jib.
That does not look like a one of like our washer we have.
Well, it's not an actual washing machine.
Oh.
It's a washer tool thing.
Oh, does that mean like you wash?
And then these are extra washers just in case you need them because they will come in handy if anything's leaking. And then this is the wand that you can switch from one head to the other head versus to hold the main head. It holds both of the hoses.
So this...
And then it comes with threading tape, which is very important with the washers. So that way you can do it the proper way.
Can I see how sticky that is?
It's not sticky on this side. It's sticky on the side that's not coming out. And we don't want to use it because this is very important for the shower to not leak. So,
have you felt like the part that like the water comes out from the shower head? It feels really weird.
Yeah.
It's actually really cool.
Just make
well, that doesn't make
this is all the pieces, and my husband will be putting it in our shower here shortly. And when we do, we
about
will
30
do a video
minutes
to show you all getting installed, and we will review it once it's done. Here's some extra washers, extra threading tape, and a little tool that we will need for everything. This is also tool free. You do not need any tools, and you can install it within under 5 minutes. It's a very easy shower head to install, and let's get to installing it and then showing you and giving you our honest review.
That doesn't make sense.
So you can stop the video now, and then we'll continue to record when Daddy's putting it together. Okay?
This is the 2 things that I love.
And this is all the parts laid out, all of the washers and the 2 heads, the hoses, the instructions with the magnifying glass for my husband. The instructions are very small. Our only complaint is that the paint did wear off a little bit. It got a couple scratches when he was tightening with our tool, and the tool that they give you does not work to tighten the actual head. that's okay because everything ended up working out. There's no leaking. It's working great. We all took showers because we were so excited. The pressure is so amazing. It literally feels like you're in a spa. And not to mention, you can adjust the heads, both of them, so that's even better.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and go get your Lanhado shower head if you haven't already. I wouldn't steer you wrong. It is amazing. Until next time, bye.